When you're ready to take a shower in your G or GL bathroom, you can use the shower head button to control the flow of the water. From here, you can turn the water flow on or off. In order to regulate the temperature of the water, you would use the handle positioned here. In order to operate the sink faucet, it has its own temperature control. You can turn this knob. Below, we have a water-resistant compartment in which you can store any items. When operating your bathroom exhaust fan in a Travato G or Travato GL, simply push up on the white handle and depress the red button to turn the exhaust fan on. If you wish to use the shower in your Travato G or GL bathroom, you might choose to use the shower curtain. If so, you're going to use the snaps on the curtain to position the curtain in place against the ceiling and the sidewall. When using the toilet in the Travato G or GL, use the foot pedal to depress it in order to add water to the bowl by depressing half of the way or all of the way to flush the toilet. In order to use the sprayer, you must have the foot pedal depressed for water to flow through the hose. Your shower door in your Travato G or GL runs on a track. When you push it all the way to the wall, make sure that you secure it to the magnet on the opposite side to keep it closed. When you want to store it for travel, simply bring it back on the track, run the plastic hook through, and re-snap it to the wall.